Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some IKEA tips and hacks that you may not have ever heard of, and also how to get the most out of your IKEA shopping trip. So you may know from my channel I've done so many IKEA videos, whether it be IKEA hacks, IKEA storage ideas. Come shopping with me to IKEA. I love IKEA and I love living on a budget as well. So if you've seen, I've done loads of budgeting videos as well over here. So I figure it's only right for me to share my IKEA shopping tips with you. So these are everything that you may not know about IKEA and some things that might help you save some money and some time as well. So I really hope you like it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new around here. I upload 3 times a week and I would really love you to be in this community with us. Thanks for watching and let's get into the tips. So one thing you may not know about IKEA is that their returns policy is 365 days, which is crazy and good news for me because I just found some bits at home before we came away that I needed to return that I haven't used. So I'll be doing that now. Instead of bringing a trolley, you can always borrow one of these yellow bags. You take it, all your stuff around in it, and then at the till, if you want to buy one, you can exchange it for a blue one. Dotted all around the store, there's loads of different areas for children to play, which is brilliant because it means that they can be entertained as they're going around. You can also recycle all your plastic, your batteries and your bulbs, which is really, really cool. Just take them here and then pop them straight in. They also have a really, really cool creche here, which is called Smileland, I think it's called. They take two and above, and they do a 3+ session as well, and it's 45 minutes, and it's perfect if you just want to pop in a lunch break and just run around and get everything done quickly. Have these amazing strollers which you can get on with children and also carry your bag. They're all just here by Smileland. IKEA actually have a member club, so you can sign up for free and you will be given a card, but often I forget my card, so I can print it out at one of these machines, and they are dotted around the store as well if you do forget your card. Check out the offers dotted around the store, which are member only prices, and you'll get special prices as well as a very special treat in the cafe. These arrows you will find all along the store to guide you around in the right direction. Another arrow, wow! So a really good tip for saving time when you get here is to do your shopping list online. So if you know what you're coming for, you can go online and basically put everything into your trolley so that when you get here, you know exactly what you're going for and what is on your list. So you can bespoke design your own kitchen in here with absolutely everything, with their special designing system and help from them as well. The IKEA mattress actually come with a 25-year guarantee, and they have a huge selection which are a lot of the time vacuum packed and you can take home in your car. The displays also double up as play areas because there's lots to do around here for the children as well as being able to look around for yourself. You can actually go through this little hole, which is so cute. So a good tip is to know when the best time is to come here. Weekday mornings are going to be the quietest, and personally I would avoid August, late July, because the back to university and college traffic is just crazy here. So many people are coming to buy their uni stuff. So yeah, maybe not the weekend as well, because I don't think you'd get it done very quickly, but at the moment we're here and it's just really, really quiet, so it's a good time to shop. So all of the large furniture comes with a 0% APR credit agreement, so you can actually buy now and pay later. There's loads of interactive stations all around the store which will help you price up things and choose different options for colours, and basically help you choose your ideal sofa. Another really big tip is to check the stock online, because if you get all the way here and they're not very frequently placed around the country, if you get here and it's not in stock in that store, then you're going to be very, very annoyed. There's a full children's menu upstairs as well, so you can get snack box, you can get the children's meatball meal or fish and chips, and you can actually also get free veg pouch for children with every adult meal bought. Really, really nice. So they have all this stuff here where you can actually make your own food and warm it up, and they also have all the plates and cutlery, and also these, which are amazing, these little bibs. So when you do get into the cafe, you are entitled to a free cup of tea or coffee from here. You can also buy free refills and drinks. This is a coffee, it's actually pretty good, but it becomes free when you have a member card. And also IKEA is infamous for its meatballs, so don't forget to pick those up. And if you have any allergies, then you can just check out on this machine what is included in each ingredient. Save all snack giving and juice giving to when you need to go to the marketplace so that you can get them in the trolley and get it done as soon as possible. The marketplace has a ton of things. I would suggest watching one of my Come Shopping With Me videos, which shows you every single department so that you can see what is in Ikea. They also have a haberdashery area, so you can buy materials and create curtains. There's so many different things here.
I've just done a hacks video, which is some really, really cool hacks. I really enjoyed doing this one. I'll leave it linked somewhere up here for you guys if you wanted to watch it, and I'll leave it in the description box as well.
When you are on your way out, do not forget to stop by the bargain corner. There are a multitude of very, very random things in here that have all been marked down. They have it right before the tills. You are exiting the shop, and they have so many things that have been discounted, and you can get really, really good bargains here. So don't forget to check that out before you leave.
They even do pick and mix here, which is only 90p for 100 grams.
So there we go. I hope that they were fun and informative, and maybe you learned a few things. Definitely let me know in the comments if you didn't know any particular ones, or if you've got any additional ones to add. Help us out. Come and give us all the tips. We need as many as we can get. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye!